Hi, Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport. So this morning I went for my ride because that's what I like to do. And I was thinking about how I have a lot of friends and clients that just say, wow, I am so amazed with your dedication to riding and to exercise. But the truth is, it's not really my dedication to exercise. It's really my dedication to my self-care. And that's what I do with a lot of my clients is I actually help them to identify what brings them joy in their life and what are some of the things that they need for their own self-care so that they feel more alive and do something for themselves and make that a priority. So it's not necessarily my dedication to exercise. It's my dedication to what brings me joy in the way that I need to have that joy. And that's really what I'm asking you to kind of consider is where does your self-care need a little bit more attention? What are some of the things that just, oh my God, I wish I could do that every day? Maybe you can. Maybe it's something, maybe once a week is enough. But what is an activity that brings you joy, that makes you feel alive, that is more like a game and it's playing, whether it's outside, whether it's in the pool, whether it's yoga, whether it's, drawing, painting, whatever the activity is, it's your movement therapy. It's your dedication to your self-care so that you feel better. It's something that it makes you feel alive. It helps you to kind of work through issues in life. Maybe it's your movement, your meditation time where you just get lost in it and it helps you breathe deeper. It helps you kind of connect with the surroundings around you. It helps you connect with God. It helps you connect with the universe. It connects with what your purpose is in life. All it is really, you've got to find the activities that help you connect to who you are. Because it's not necessarily a dedication to exercise as to why I go ride my bike or go swim or do yoga or do tennis. It's my dedication to my self-care. If I don't do my movement therapy, I'm really horrible to be around, honestly. So it's my dedication to me that every day that is something I have to do for me. So my question is, what do you need to do for you? And if you're having trouble with that, which is what a lot of my clients come in for, they're having a challenge trying to connect with what that is. I can remove some of those barriers so that you can see better what it is that you need to do for you and really connect to what it is that your body needs and what your mind and soul and heart really want. Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport.